Hello everyone, I am Kiran. Today we are going to see one of the concepts which is very important in Java, which is static. Remember guys, these videos are for revision, not for detailed study. For detailed study, I am going to post link for another video which will be of 1 hour, 1 and 2 hour for static, which you need to refer to study that. But these are just quick recap or quick revision I am going to make here for everything about static. In description you will find that. What does static means? Static means one copy storage. Remember, static means one copy storage. You can change it, but it's a one copy storage. Latest value will get stored. Static can be applied to global variable, methods, blocks, and inner classes. Remember these four things. Now we'll discuss one by one all of these four things. These four things. In case of static variable and methods, we can call those directly by class name. You can see this example. Class A having int A equal to 10, static int B equal to 10. Here, A is non-static, B is static. See how I called? One is with class name and another another also with the class name. But when I call static member, which is not possible, you will get error there. For static member, it is possible. For non-static, it is not possible. For non-static, you have to create object. In case of variables, only global variables are static, not local variable. Remember, this is most of the time people make mistake. Global variables are only static. Here in this example, you can see class P, static int A equal to 78, which is possible. In class M1, you can see static int B equal to 78, which is not possible. We can apply final keyword with static variable. That is called as pure constant. Static final is a pure constant. Means you cannot change. Also, memory will not get wasted. In this example, you can see class X I have. I have class X. Static int X equal to 80. What is that? It's a constant. You cannot change value and store that only one memory. So remember this example. Now we'll see methods. In case of methods, we can call those by directly class name, as I earlier said. In this case, M1 we called and received error. But when we went and called M2, we didn't receive any error. See here, class A, void M1, which is non-static, and then static void M2. What is possible here? A.M2 is possible, whereas A.M1 is not possible. In case of classes, outer class is not possible to be static. See here, you can see error, static class A, error. But when we make inner class as static, it is always allowed. In this case, class A is outer class, having one class inside class B, that is static. See this example. And class B also has M1 method. Class A, then static class B, void. Here, this question most of the time interviewer asks, how to call the display method, because it is in inner class. So you should say A dot B, reference variable AB equal to A dot B, constructor will get called, then AB dot display. Here, B is a static class. That's why we are able to write A dot B. Otherwise, there are different ways to call it which is not static. Now we'll see block, which is again very important. Most of the time interviewer asks it, because methods and variables are simple, so they may ask you about blocks. See this is a package I have, Java by Kiran package, com. Here I have class X, and I have one static block. I am printing hello there. If you write static in front of block, it is called a static block. If you don't write, it is called a non-static block. Here you can see, now I defined static. This will get called as soon as we load a class. See below how I loaded a class. This is one of the way to load a class in Java. Even you can create object xx new x, it will get loaded. But this is another way. Class.forName. ForName is a static method of class. This calls a static. You can try on your system. You will see that output. Now we will see some interview questions on static. Some people may ask you, can we override static method? Answer is no. Can we call static variable and static method by creating an object? You should say yes. Don't think like only by class name we call. We can create object and we can call. That's not a problem. Can local variable be static? Answer is no. It cannot be. But final can be applied. So don't get confused. Local variable cannot be static. It should be low value. Can we call static method from non-static method? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. Vice versa is not true. Can we call, another question, can we call non-static method from static method? Answer is no. You might have seen main method. Main method is static. You cannot call directly variable from there. You have to create object. From static to static it is possible. But from static to non-static directly you cannot call. You have to create object. In below example, will it give error? That's my next question. See here, class A, static int p equal to 78. And how I am calling C? A equal to null. System.out.println A dot p. We think that it's a null pointer exception, but that's not true. It will get called, no compile time error, no runtime error. It will definitely get called because static members are getting called. As soon as we load the class and A equal to null means we are loading a class. Static members are getting loaded into the memory. Next question I have, see this example. See this example. What I'm doing here, I'm creating an object and calling a static. Will it give error? Answer is no. First, this is not a good way to call. It is not encouraged to call in this way, but you can always call it. What I did, object of A and I'm calling the variable. Another question, in superclass and subclass, if we have a static method, like this, class A having M1 method as a static, class B having M1 as a static, class B is subclass. Now, if we call in this way, A, new B, this is dynamic dispatch. Which M1 will get called? The answer is superclass M1 will get called because static method doesn't require new B. As soon as you write A, that method will get called. You can read more about this in jpktutorials.com. You can test yourself on jpktest.com. Call us to join our classes on this number. You can see this number on screen. For more detail about our online as well as classroom classes, visit www.javakiran.com. Please give us comments. If you did not like this video or if you like this video, please share your feedback to us. We are welcoming that. We'll try to improve on it. We'll make more and more material if you give us encouragement. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe my channel to get more and more videos like this. Thank you.